Okay, go.
More?
Yeah, go a little bit more.
Is that?
Yeah, a little bit more, but do it on the other one. That's enough for now. So just tack it on the other one. But this time go a little bit more, right?
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. All right.
Hi, boys and girls! Again and again, welcome sa aming videos, aming vlog. And yes, for today's video,
Hey, boys and girls. Welcome to for the iron door, right?
yeah.
So, we're not quite done yet. We've been working our brains out trying to get this thing done.
Yeah.
As you saw in the other videos, the progress through this whole thing. Right now, the way the door stands, it's basically almost done. We have to paint it, of course, and we have to put some doorknobs in. And
Glass.
And the glass. We're going to order the glass. We're going to have a 1-inch insulated glass. It'll be tempered glass. And so we'll, as you saw on my other videos, when I put the other door glasses in, we put urethane here and then attached, kind of like an auto glass installation. And I just want to touch on a couple of things that we did, just in case you're asking. This frame here is a 2x6 piece of tubing, right? So the glass is going to be 1 inch. So what we did was here, we used a piece of square tubing, a 3/4 inch. And the reason we went 3/4 is because we wanted a 1/4 inch worth of sealant, urethane, be on the back side of the glass. And if you look real closely, we used some leftover rebar. So, and then right up here, I will show you in a second, I found this really nice door hanger thing. There he is right there. I found it at an auction, or I don't know, a flea market, I guess. It was a flea market that I got it at. So I hope you guys like it. So stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to go in and paint it and put some doorknobs on it and install the glass. So it's going to be a little ways. You know, we're not going to do it real quick, but we have to go find a door. Now, this is 2-inch, framing, so it's kind of hard to find a good doorknob for this thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now.